Good afternoon. This is Tom Aspray with the Viper Report. It's Wednesday, July 17th. Heading into the market close, stocks are declining in the last half an hour of trading. Dow down about 70, S&P down about 13 points. But there are a couple markets that are moving the opposite direction. One is gold, which is up 1.5% on the heaviest volume in the past week. Those of you who attended my presentation on Monday, I showed this chart of the Spider Gold Trust. That's one of my favorite gold vehicles, and explained how that in October it gave a doji buy signal, a monthly buy signal, after it had already closed above the quarterly pivot on October 12th. So we got in at that point, and it's been a great ride. We sidestepped this correction. And are backing on the long side here. And it shows you how you can combine different analytical methods and be on the right side of a market. I think this market can go significantly higher. Let's look at a daily chart of the GLD, the Spider Gold Trust. You can see our original entry here in May. Got 100% long. We took profits on 50% here in early June. We thought we were going to see a bit more of a setback, but we didn't. It was really short-lived. And we saw another spurt to the upside. We bought back in over a week ago here as we dropped down to 131. And you can see what gold is doing today, up very nicely. Last week we recommended that ETF traders in the Viper ETF report get into the SLV. That's the iShares Silver Trust. We got in here right between 1440 and 1420. Right now it's trading at $14.95, up 2.75% on the day. You can see it's accelerating to the upside, and the on-balance volume here is strong and positive. Early today I posted this article on Forbes.com, Where are gold and crude oil headed now? I discussed the bullish readings on the COMEX gold futures, which are underlying force for the Spider Gold Trust, the GLD, which is what we trade in the Viper ETF report. In the article, I also noted that the signals were not as strong in crude oil and that I was going to wait for cleaner signals. Good call, as crude was down fairly sharply today. There's a link to this article in your email. If you'd like specific advice in commodity and other ETFs, go to theviperreport.com and click on the Viper Report link. It'll take you to the sign-up page. Got an email earlier today that one client had already paid for a year of the Viper ETF with his trades in GLD in the past month. If you're interested in stocks, check out the Viper Hot Stocks report, which provides specific buy and sell advice on individual stocks. That's all I have for right now. I'll get back to you over the weekend with a full market commentary.